we are going to explore the village, guys. See, this is the similarity. Same to African village. You will be having your own garden, a small garden. You have to plant whatever you want. And this is also the wood, guys. We use for cooking. Only this thing we use for cooking also in village.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, you are Argentina fan. You're Messi fan.
Yes.
You should support. You should support Real Madrid and Portuguese. Okay? Yeah. Life in the village. Huh?
Bumbula ini jamnya.
Bumbula?
Butai jamnya.
Butai bumbula sibang. So see my team, guys. I have so huge team. What is the name of your dog?
This is doggy, na? Oh, this copy, this doggy.
This is only one family, guys.